Here is a Mazda CX-5. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door, pull the primary hood release lever there. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Mazda emblem, a little bit to the driver's side to the left, put one finger in there and push it. Yep, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod. Get the rod out and put it in that slot with the arrow marking it, like that. Pull it back, and you're good. Now once the hood is open, that right there, that's the main fuse box cover. We're gonna open this up. There's a clip in the back there, so press it and then pull the cover up at an angle. There's a clip in the front which it has to clear. Yep, that one. So what we'll do is we'll take it out at an angle like this and then get it out. Now underneath there you'll find the fuse puller and the spare fuses. So just grab the fuse puller and let's take a look at the fuse diagram. Let's turn it around so we can read it clearly. Yep. Now let's zoom in over there. You'll find on the top left corner it says room 15 amp. That's the one for the interior lights. So very likely what the problem is that your interior light fuse is bad and that's what's causing the lights to not work. So we'll pull this fuse and my fuse is good. See what happens when I pull the fuse. All the lights just go off. So we'll check the fuse and see this is a good fuse. How do I know it's a good fuse? Because the middle part is not broken. If the middle part is broken, then it's a bad fuse. So if yours is a bad fuse, then we'll just replace it with the spare fuse. And luckily we have a 15 amp spare fuse right over there. Always replace a 15 amp with a 15 amp only. Don't replace it with anything else or it will cause a whole lot of other problems. Let's check out the spare fuse. This one is looking good. So let's put it back in. And when you do that as well, what's going to happen is your lights are going to come back on just like this. So align it and then push the fuse back in and see what happens. Lights are back on. That's it. Once you're done, put the fuse back in its position. Let's put the cover back on. Make sure it goes under that clip there. Yep, goes under and now back. Yep, now it's secured. Once it looks like this, push it on the top and secure it in place, and that's it, you're done. Now in order to close the hood, first push it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of the slot over there, put it back in its place, lower the hood and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.